मित्रों नमस्कार। दादी माँ रुक्मणी देवी फाउंडेशन द्वारा संचालित कोर्स अप्लाइड नेचुरोपैथी के छात्र छात्राओं द्वारा दिन प्रतिदिन नए आयाम स्थापित किए जा रहे हैं। डॉक्टर वेद प्रकाश गुप्ता चेयरमैन दादी माँ रुक्मणी देवी फाउंडेशन के संकल्पों को धरातल पर स्थापित करने के लिए DMRD इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी अनवरत अपने लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति की ओर अग्रसर है। चाहे नेचुरोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट की बात हो, नेचुरोपैथी मेडिकेटेड प्रोडक्ट की बात हो, नेचुरोपैथी के द्वारा समाज को जागरूक करने की बात हो, युवा पीढ़ी को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने की बात हो, व संत दादी माँ रुक्मणी देवी के लोक कल्याणकारी संकल्प को सिद्धि की ओर अग्रसर करने की बात हो, संस्था के निदेशक डॉक्टर धर्मेंद्र कुमार मिश्रा और उनकी पूरी टीम इन सभी कार्यों में सतत प्रयासरत है। इसी क्रम में कनाडा से संस्था की छात्रा अलका एरन प्रतिदिन अपनी ट्रीटमेंट कला, जो कि पिछले 1 साल में उन्हें दादी माँ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी में सिखाया गया है, उस आधार पर कनाडा में अपनी प्रतिभा से संस्था के उद्देश्यों को पूर्ण कर रही हैं, जिसका प्रमाण आप इस वीडियो के द्वारा समझ सकते हैं।
Namaste everyone. My name is Pooja Sharma. I am from Windsor, Canada. Today I want to share my experience with naturopathy. I've been suffering from frozen shoulder, especially it started from a small tear in my scapula in last year in November. I would say November. So from then I've been suffering. It was quite painful for me to move my hand up and down. I've been doing exercise since long, but after this injury I could not move my hand a bit. So first I tried physiotherapy. Doctor asked me to go for physiotherapy. I took some sessions. I tried dry needling, but it didn't help me much. Then I got to know about Miss Alka Erin, who had been who is a practitioner. I got to know that she is practitioner of naturopathy. She knows about auricology, auriculotherapy and cupping and many more other naturopathy. So I thought I should give it a try. So I have been trying with her from past 2 months. So she started with first the auriculotherapy. The first day when she pointed out few points, I could not understand how one point can be so painful. She just touched and it was so painful. The first day when she touched and she pressed those points, it was very painful for me that day. The next day, I find a subtle change in my body. I find the subtle change in my pain. So I thought I should continue doing that. So she first gave me massage on those points for a couple of days, and gradually it started subsiding the pain, and I started feeling better. Then she opted for cupping therapy, and it was magical. I felt like that her hands are so magical. Whenever she touched, wherever she was using her hand on my body and shoulder, and the very next day my morning was so relaxed. Throughout the day I was feeling that blood flow is so increased, and I was feeling the stagnation is almost gone. So I feel that suddenly my blood flow of my shoulder area and front clavicular area, cervical region, it feels like it's breathing now. I could understand, I could feel the difference from past 7-8 months and these 2 months. I had been known to these therapies since long, but I never applied those, and I never see this quick result with this therapy. So right now we are continuing with cupping therapy, but I am feeling so relaxed. My back region, cervical region, it feels like it's completely free now. I can move my hand easily, and those points which were so painful initially, now I don't feel any pain there. It means they work so beautifully. So I want to thank Miss Alka Erin for her help, for her services. Thank you so much. Thank you.